In today's video, we're going to do some really great simple exercises for the arms. You can do this sitting down, you can do this standing up, great for seniors and also some beginners as well. So what I like to do first is to stand with my feet firmly on the ground. We're placing our hands onto our tummy, and you just want to kind of gently breathe in for 3 and hold that core, that engagement. This will also protect your back as well as strengthening the core as well. Love a double bubble. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to first of all roll our shoulders back. Nice round circular motion, warming the shoulders, and you can incorporate the arms and the hands a bit more as well. And coming forward, remembering to hold that core, that engagement at the same time. And then I like to just come back a couple of times just to reset the shoulders back here. So we're taking our hands here, placing one hand on the side, and I'm just going to go in big round circular motion one way, keeping the body nice and straight. And then the other way, warming everything up. We don't actually lift our arms up enough, so this is really great for just lifting our arms above our head. And then with the other arm, coming one way, circular motion all the way round. Now you don't need to be wearing any fancy gear for this. As you can see, I'm in a pair of jeans and a top. So obviously when you're at home, if you've got jogging bottoms, you just want to wear something comfortable. And then the other way. And then let's incorporate both the arms because it's also good for the mind. It's coming up and across. Again, holding that engagement, tailbone in, and then working the other way. It's almost working the whole of the upper body here. And then release. So now we're going to take our hands, so placing them almost in a prayer position, and we're just gently going to press with the hands and release. And you should almost feel a slight contraction on your bicep here. And obviously the harder you press, the more you can feel that muscle working. And let's do this 2 more times, so we would have done it for 8. And last, and just hold and press. And release and shake it out. So now we're going to come back with our arms, and we're going to place our palms behind us. And again, nice tight core, and let's just press back for 8. So coming here, I'll come to the side so you can see. Come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold. Feel this on your triceps. And release, and just shake it out. So now we're going to take our hands, we're going to make them a fist. This is our 3rd exercise, and we're going to come up and then lift all the way up, come back down, all the way down. Let's do this 8 times. 1, if you like, you can use weights, but it's quite nice to do this without. 2, holding in the core, that engagement. You can also do this, if you like, if you're in a seated position as well. 3 more times. 1, remembering to breathe. 2, and last time, up and down, and shake it out. So let's do our first exercise again, placing our hands and just gently, well actually press down as far as you can, hard as you can on all the fingers and your palms, release. And let's do this 8 times. 5, and try to remember to keep your elbows down as well whilst doing this. And last time. Shake it out, and then placing our palms behind us, core engaged, and let's press back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold for a few seconds and release. So again, hands into a fist shape, coming down, coming up, lifting up for 1. Again, we're going to do this 8 times. This is a really nice workout to do in the morning, nice and gentle, really warming up those arms. 4, holding in the core. 5, 6, 7, and last time 8, and come down, give it a shake out, and now we're on our last set. So again, hands into position here, core nice and tight and engaged, and just press as hard as you can, making sure you're pressing the fingers as well as the palms. 3, 4, and still holding in the core as well. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Give it a shake. Palms behind us, nice and straight with the shoulders. I'm pushing back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time 8, holding for a few seconds, feeling that tricep, and shake it out. And then placing getting our hands into a fish shape, coming down and coming up, and then lifting up all the way up. 2, 3, 4, remembering your core to keep that engagement. 5, 6, 7, and the last time with this exercise, 8, and shake it out. And then roll the shoulders back, incorporating the arms, and then forward. And then if you like, you can just do a few round circles, one way and then the other. So I will place another video if you'd like to join me there, and also please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up really helps with the algorithm. And I really hope you found this useful, and please comment down below. I'd like to hear where you're from, and if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.